All right, so this is number 3 on probability 16 on the review on the probability section. 2 cards are to be selected from a standard deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting 2 kings, 2 aces, or a king and an ace? So if you think about it, the probability of getting 2 kings is really the same as the probability of getting 2 aces, because you're getting 2 of the same thing. So the first thing you need to decide, is it a permutation or is it a combination? Does the order matter? Do I care when I have the cards in my hand that I have a king of hearts and then a king of spades, or a king of spades and then a king of hearts, for instance? And the answer is no. So this is a combination, not a permutation. So we're talking about probability. So the number of favorable outcomes is how many ways can I pick 2 kings? We have to think, how many kings can I pick out of? Well, there's 4 kings in a deck, and I want to pick 2. So that's how many favorable ways I can pick a king. The total number of ways that I can pick 2 cards from a deck is, out of 52 cards, I'm going to pick 2. And then you just go ahead and put that into your calculator and get the probability. Now, the probability so that was part A. For part B, the probability of picking 2 aces, well, out of 4 cards, you're still going to pick 2, and you still are going to pick 2 cards out of 52. And then part C is you're going to pick a king and an ace. So the probability of picking a king is that. The probability of picking an ace is that. Oh, are you picking 1 king and 1 ace? Sorry. 1 king and 1 ace, all over the probability of picking 2 cards. Now be careful, because if you had done like 1 out of 13 times 1 out of 13, or 1 out of 12, or done it that way, that's forcing it to be a permutation. So you have to be careful if you're going to be doing it that way. All right, I hope that helps.